humbled leather. What's going on, everybody? It's General 315. I'm back again. Just want to bring something to you guys. This is my first voiceover, so bear with me. I just wanted to bring these shorts to you guys. These are the Mitchell & Ness Lakers shorts. I got these from our friends over at Rep Dog. They went ahead and sent these over for a review. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. These shorts are pretty nice. Go ahead and thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. That would be greatly appreciated. Follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates, and go ahead and follow us in that Discord for all of your Where the Cops and all of that good stuff. These shorts are very nice. Definitely good quality. Rep Dog did a good job with these joints. I don't know if Rep Dog is just like a supplier or something like that. I definitely did some different shorts. I did some Eric Emanuel shorts in a different video, in my Grinch video. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check those out. These shorts are really nice. I mean, they feel like authentic basketball shorts that, you know, LeBron James or somebody like that would wear on the court. Definitely feels good on the skin. The material is durable. It's nice and heavy too. That Lakers portion there that I'm showing in this part of the video, very thick stuff, sewed on very well, not a lot of loose stitching. The elastic band that I showed there, I'm kind of stretching it out, just feeling it. Right here we have some golden lace tips on the laces there that you would tie up your shorts with. But they feel real nice. They definitely feel pretty good. I'm just kind of giving you guys a little 360 just to show you, you know, that they feel good. Got pockets on the back, some zippers there. I don't know if real basketball shorts have these pockets with these zippers. I'm not sure if the NBA ones have those. But I mean, these do look pretty good. I remember when these shorts came out, everybody was kind of going crazy over these. They really, really like these joints. And I think LeBron had gone to some type of basketball game or something like that. It might have been the Drew League, and he was wearing, I think, the yellow pair. But I opted to get the purple pair because everybody has the yellow pair, and I kind of just wanted to be a little different. Definitely good materials here. Just showing kind of like the elastic bands and all of that. So yeah, definitely good. I think you guys should show up. You know, go ahead, check out Rep Dog on their IG. They're pretty good. Their information's in the Discord. If you guys want to get down with them, you won't be disappointed for sure. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.